Hello, how are you, Zimbabwe? I'm very happy to see you. I'm Mohammed Gladys from Sharara Secondary. Tauya pana pane vana ve Sharara Secondary. Tauya kuzoshowcase magarments edu kuna NASSAF. Tauya kuna NASSAF iri Festival of Arts. Chishowa vana ama skills edu ekudesign magarments. Theme yedu ina NASSAF yetukufamba nayo inoti promoting skills development through the heritage based curriculum. Kana titi heritage based curriculum tikurewa kuti chi, what is heritage? It simply defines the living, involving story of who we are. We are proud to be Zimbabweans. As you can see, our garments here, we made them through natural dyes. We extracted these natural dyes from our local trees so that we are showing how our environment is very important to us as Zimbabweans. And heritage is also tell us about the gift from the past, and we are responsible for safeguarding the future, and it includes tangible and non-tangible resources. For our trees, if we are talking about the resources, we've got the land, we've got the flora and fauna. So with us here, we produce the natural dyes, and we manage to produce different garments. We have got a shirt here with the Java material. It is showing us how we can design a plain material using the Java material. With us here, we've got this child's dress. These ladies are showing others how to produce a dress. This is a circular skirt without even a seam. The down part of it, we didn't have even a seam. Inside the garment, they used my handwork stitches. At our school, we don't have the overlocking machine, but we managed to overlock our garment using our hands. And we also produced these embroidered stitches using our hands also. These are the satin stitch, million stitch, and the stem stitch. We also managed to produce an apron with these motifs, showing them our culture, different types of clay pots that were used long ago. And with us here, we have got a dress also, which was made during these dyes, natural dye, Mufura and Urumanyama. We produced this dress. These skills, they are very important to our ladies, to the young generation. Why am I saying so? Especially ama 2K, they need support from us. So if ever they are not strong enough, class, literacy, no, these are some skills. So we are promoting them. Self-reliable, but we independent, even if they leave the school, we can also have better citizens, better Zimbabweans, without much use of technology. They can use my resources are available in their environment. They don't need to move from one place to another. They can make a living, they can earn a living, and also impart knowledge to others through this heritage-based curriculum. I think I've exhausted much. I leave the podium to my ladies.
Ndakatanga kufarira kusona kutanga papractical. Chikoro kwedu kune practical rekuti vana vanenge vachisona. Saka kubva patakatanga papractical iyo ndakabva tatanga kufarira zvekusona kwatotanga kusona kusvika ndazotopikwawo tichitosimukira kusvika tosvika kunovhesa zvedu zvatakuzona. Izvozvizvi ndakutogona kusona even kusona ndega tichangu kusona ndega zvakuzvese saka
Chancellor Secondary School. Takatora mufura dye yedu takakuma makwati acho vatswanya vatamasoka bucket for 3 days. Tamasoka vatabvisa makwati aya vatanyika jira redu mumvura musupu yange asara bucket. Tanyika imomo takabva tabvisa jira redu vatarisplasha pamusoro pari flat, panzvimbo iri flat. Taisa ipapo takabva tora mashizha edu vatasimbirira, then vataisa salt resist nemaraisi atazisa pamusoro. Tapedza dhedu takabvaraoma vatarisimudza vatarizunza vakabuda kala yebrown redress muri kuona iyi. Saka solution yatakashandisa inonzi salt resist yatakashandisa. Alright. Dye iyi inonzi mukumanyama ndo yatakashandisa kudhaya jira redu ikabva yakuita brown.
Rari rerudzi.
Rari rewhite.
Ndinonzi Mbecho Semantiba kuchikoro chinonzi Chancellor Primary School. Ndiri wekumirira Manicaland.
ndinogadzira zvekubhidhi, ndogadzira mabhidhi, manecklace, maruwa, chichi zvakawanda. Apa pandine manecklace aya ndakamagadzira kuti vanhu vaite waluke nice kana mukuenda kuchechi, kana muchipfeka mabhidzi nemabangles. Ndakagadzira zvinhu zvakawanda nemapesi emabhidzi. Izvi ndakazvigadzirira kuti vanhu vaone talent yangu, wachenewo vachifamba, ichi ngechemumaoko, wachenewo vachifamba kuda kuti ini ndoda kuzosvika kure ndicharamba ndichigadzira maruwa emabhidzi, majewelries, zvinhu zvakawanda vanhu ndicharamba ndichigadzira.
Une makore mangani?
12.
I came with Rimbai Chawasema for beading, representing Manicaland. The idea of using beads is from our tradition for beautification. It's something that comes deep from the heart, to know what is beautiful, to see what is beautiful. So Rimbai Chawasema showed some interest in beautification. Then we had to work on beads, making flowers, necklaces, headgears, slip-ons, and also key holders, using different colors, mixing them to bring beauty in the world. In Zimbabwe, especially, we also considered the cultural aspect, where we are using locally available material such as the dendes and also natural beads from trees like Nimbiti.